Klarna is one of the UK's most popular buy now, pay later payment services, which give you the option to order your shopping today and pay for it at a later date. And since there's no greater feeling than a package of new treats arriving on your doorstep, this video will give you the lowdown on how Klarna works, plus a handy step-by-step guide and our top tips to help you manage your money more effectively. Klarna has partnered with thousands of brands and retailers like ASOS, Pretty Little Thing, Nike and JD Sports. You might have heard of them. When you're ready to check out at one of these partner stores online, all you need to do is select Klarna as your payment method, then choose a payment plan and congrats, your new purchases will be on their way. Some stores also offer Klarna at checkout in their branches too. The payment plans are where it gets interesting and where you should honestly consider your personal circumstances before choosing the right option for you. Klarna offers 3 payment structures. Pay in 30 days allows you to complete your order on that day without paying, with a 30-day window from the date your order is shipped to make the full payment. This plan does not charge interest or late fees and won't involve a hard credit check that lenders can see on your credit file. With Pay in 3, you can spread the cost of your purchases equally across 3 instalments, with the first taken at the time of ordering, then again after 30 and 60 days. You won't be charged any interest with this plan, but it does require an affordability assessment. Don't worry, this isn't a full credit check that another lender could see on your file. Klarna's financing option works a bit like a credit card, allowing you to split your payments into monthly instalments over 6 to 36 months. This payment plan requires a full credit check, which can affect your credit score and can charge interest. The amount of interest you'll pay can vary depending on your own credit record, the terms of the deal you choose and the retailer you're shopping with, as they have the option to offer different deals like interest-free periods. So make sure you read the specific terms before agreeing to use this service. You have to pay at least the minimum amount each month. However, if you want to avoid paying more interest, look for the interest saver amount on your statement and try to pay that in full each month. For the latest rates, head to finder.com. Links are in the description below. With Pay in 3 and Klarna's financing option, future payments will be taken automatically once the first instalment is made. Klarna will send email reminders 2 days before your due date, so all you need to worry about is having enough funds in your account. And just a quick note to all my retail enthusiasts out there, you do have to be at least 18 years old to be eligible to use Klarna. Start by shopping online at one of Klarna's partner stores. A full list of shops that use Klarna is tagged in the description below. At the checkout, select Klarna as your payment method and choose one of its 3 payment plans. At this stage, you'll be asked to sign up for or log into your Klarna account and provide your card details, but you might not have to pay anything at this point, depending on which plan you choose. If you select Pay in 3 or Pay in 30 days, Klarna will run a soft credit check and you'll know in minutes if you're eligible to use the service. Returning customers may also get sent a verification code via text to confirm their account. If you select its financing option, Klarna will run a full credit check, which could impact your overall credit score. Once approved, you'll receive confirmation of your payment plan by email and your purchases will be dispatched. It might be a good idea to set up calendar reminders for your payment deadlines, although Klarna will send email reminders a few days before your payments are due. If you are declined, it might be worth getting in touch with Klarna to find out why. When your payment deadlines arrive, Klarna will automatically collect payment from the debit or credit card you provided at checkout, unless you're on the Pay in 30 days plan, in which case you'll need to log into your account and make the payment manually. In some cases, you will be able to pay off your balance earlier than the deadline. Just log into the app or check your email for a pay early or pay now options on a specific purchase and follow the instructions. With Klarna, there is no official credit limit or restrictions on how many plans you can take out at once. However, it does work on a case-by-case basis, so the length of time you've held an account and any late payments will be taken into consideration. Regardless of your payment plan, if you don't make your payments on time, Klarna will block you from using its service until the debt is settled, and it may pass your details on to debt collectors, which is likely to harm your credit rating. If you're in any way concerned that the whole spend now, pay later thing will tempt you to break your budget, here are a few quick tips to help you keep it under control. Klarna can be a great way to try before you buy. For example, if you want to order something in several sizes, with Klarna you only have to pay for the items you keep, and you don't have to chase down a refund for those that you don't. Similar to a credit card, Klarna can be a handy way to invest in expensive but necessary items. For example, if you needed to get some new equipment for a business startup. The Klarna app is really easy to use and can be a useful tool to help better manage your payments. Plus, it comes with loads of extra features and you can actually do your shopping from the app itself. As with any financial decision, make sure you can afford the repayments before using one of Klarna's Buy Now, Pay Later plans. For our full review and to compare which Buy Now, Pay Later scheme is the right one for you, visit finder.com. Links are tagged in the description below. Hit the subscribe button or stay tuned for more videos just like this one. And as always, thanks for watching.